Hello, I'm Bring Genesis, a nurse practitioner, that's nurse anesthetist, dietitian, what you call midwife, and a general nurse as well. And I run a business, Pet Health Center at the Angisa neighborhood, Yaoundé. What stood out for me during this 2-day workshop is that God can still use our business to expand His kingdom. God has called us, to use business as well to reach out to many people. And this workshop has helped me to improve on my skills, and in running the clinic, we can do it much more better and reach out to more souls. I think I'm going to improve my services as I offer them to our clients. We're going to improve on that, and we're going to serve the clients better, because we have learned that God wants us to serve people well, and serving people is serving God. I want to thank Faith Baptist Church for this opportunity given us to learn. I also want to thank our facilitators for being available for us to teach us, to deliver us from ignorance.